I am Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and we are here with another mindful moment that I think you're going to enjoy. Today's mindful moment is the magic massage, and this comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. And this one is great for all educators, all students, people of all ages. So I think you're going to really like it. So everyone get ready. We are in for a treat. This magic massage is restorative. It's relaxing. It alleviates tension and anxiety, and it is a great, quick way to practice self-care. So thank you for taking a moment for yourself. Be thankful for the body you have and for the importance of prioritizing taking care of our bodies. Sometimes we forget to do that, but I really appreciate that you're taking this moment for you. All right, let's get to it. The magic massage. So for magic massage, we're going to start in that seated mountain posture. So hopefully you are in a chair that feels good, but even if not, just find your way to the front of that chair where you're not too far back, but you're comfortable and your foundation is strong. Your feet are on the ground below you. Your back is straight. Your shoulders are back. Your head is reaching tall. Remember, in our sitting mountain, we want that strong core, strong foundation, just like a mountain. So from here, if you're comfortable, you may close your eyes. It kind of adds to the relaxation of this mindful moment. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. But if you do, begin to close your eyes and just begin to focus on your breath. Feeling it go in through your nose and out. Beginning to notice your breath a little more than we usually do. Now, you're going to take your fingertips and you're just going to do small circular movements to massage the top of your head. Might seem kind of silly at first, but just embrace it. Notice how it feels as you just dig your fingertips in, not too hard, but enough to have a little bit of strength there to feel the goodness of this movement, and just begin to move in circles on your head. As you do the top of your head, you might move to your temples, maybe even your forehead. Ooh, that feels good. And around your eyebrows. We so often really tense up our eyebrows and our forehead. Maybe even to your ears or along the sides of your ears. Good. Those firm circular motions, really focusing in the areas that need it most. Spend extra time. I think I feel the best on my temples. I'm going to focus there, maybe on my eyebrows too. Good. Spend just a couple of breaths focusing in on what feels best. Good. Now from here, we're going to move to the back of our neck. So kind of doing the same thing, just massaging that, using your firm fingertips, the back of your neck, maybe even down your shoulders. Again, noticing where it feels best, noticing maybe where you're holding the most tension. Now find your collarbone. That collarbone's that bone right here. Put your fingers down about an inch or so to the soft spots on either side of your collarbone. Good. Begin to gently massage there if it feels good. Good. All right, now we're going to transition to massaging our hands. So go ahead and take one of your hands, and with the opposite hand, begin just massaging into your hand. Pressing into the palm. Good. Maybe even along each finger. Ooh. Not forgetting the fingernails. Sometimes that feels best. Good. You might even get in between that thumb. That can feel really good. You might circle out your wrists. Good. Maybe even pushing Stretching that wrist. Good. Now let's switch hands. Make sure each hand gets a lot of good attention. Good. Again, focusing in on the areas that feel best. Making sure not to forget that wrist. You might even put your hands together and give them a big stretch. Good. Now, if your eyes are still closed, keep them closed. Or if you haven't had them closed, but you want to close them now, you can, or you can leave them open. But begin to set your hands back onto your lap, coming back to that seated mountain. Noticing that your body may feel a little better than it did at the beginning of this session. Thanking yourself for the body you have and for taking the time to really nourish your body and take care of your body. It's so important. Think about when you could do this magic massage some other time. It doesn't have to be all at once. Maybe you could do bits and pieces when you notice a headache coming up, or you notice some stiffness in your hand, or maybe that collarbone needs a stretch. Think about when you could do this, how you could prioritize your body, taking care of your body, thanking your body, being grateful for the body we have. As we take these last few breaths, just noticing how you feel. Hopefully you've released some of that tension. Hopefully you feel a little restored and a little relaxed. If your eyes are still closed, begin to open them. Let's take a final breath together in through our nose and out. Thank you for joining me for this magic massage. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, that comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity cards. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.